Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy gift cards on Sweatcoin. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your phone and make sure you have enough Sweatcoins saved up. Once you have sufficient balance, go to the Rewards tab. By default, you'll be on the Win section, but you need to switch to the Buy section instead. Here you'll see all the available gift cards. For example, a $5 gift card costs $5,000 Sweatcoins. A $25 gift card costs $25,000 Sweatcoins, and a $50 gift card costs $30,000 Sweatcoins. You can choose from various brands such as Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, Amazon Pay, and others. Once you decide which gift card you want to purchase, simply tap on it. As long as you have enough Sweatcoins, you can then click Purchase and confirm your transaction. After confirmation, your selected gift card will be processed and made available according to Sweatcoin's delivery terms, and that's it. So that is how you can buy gift cards on Sweatcoin. So that's all for this video. Thanks.